Fáilte, welcome agus fáilte Goodie and Ceapsha. Welcome to this little mini lesson. This is how to say Ireland, so the country of Ireland, in the Irish language, as Gaeilge. And there are 3 different Irelands depending on the context grammatically. So I'll explain them as well also if you're interested. For this, firstly, I would like to say we have a Gaeilge for complete beginners, so the Irish language for complete beginners course starting soon. You can sign up for that down in the description. So definitely check that out and add your name to that waitlist if you're interested in learning the language. Around in, on we go. So Ireland is Éire. 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 Éire is Ireland when Ireland is used on its own. Now we do have to put in a disclaimer here for pronunciation that there are 3 dialects of the Irish language. There's Connacht Irish, Ulster Irish and Munster Irish. 3 different areas of Ireland. There's also a standard Irish that's used in print and media and often taught in schools. And each dialect has a variation of pronunciation. Each word and verb is pronounced slightly different, sometimes a lot different, across the dialects. The pronunciation I'm offering here is a standard basic pronunciation of the word Ireland, Éire. If you were interested in a particular dialect, or you would like to hear how it sounds different across the dialects, then you can type Éire into obair.ie and you can choose the area of your choice. So this goes for all of our phrases and our words. They offer a basic standard pronunciation, and to hear it in a specific dialect, you can go to obair.ie and you can use that really amazing resource. So Ireland on its own is Éire. So for example, if you were listing countries or you were writing Ireland on its own, so you're just saying Ireland, you would write Éire. If you were listing countries, you would use Éire for Ireland. So for example, Saffs is England, Éire is Ireland, on rank is France, on Spáin is Spain, on Idol is Italy. So in a list of countries or anywhere where the word Ireland is standing on its own, like on a flag, on a postage stamp, in road machine, anything like that, you would use this form of Ireland, which is Éire. Now, another word for Ireland in Irish is Éireann. Éireann, Éireann, Éireann. And again, check obair.ie to hear it pronounced across the dialects. And this variation is used most commonly after prepositions. So prepositions are small words like in, go, to, from. So in Irish, an example would be in Éireann, which means in Ireland. In is our preposition, and then we use this version of Ireland, in Éireann. Or if you were saying to Ireland, like I'm going to Ireland, go héireann. Go héireann. So you're using this version of Ireland because go is a preposition. However, in Irish, vowels don't really like to come together. So go ends in O and Éireann begins with an E. So there is a H added in there. But still, this is the version of Ireland that we go with after preposition. So come ag dul go héireann, I am going to Ireland. Come in Éireann, I am in Ireland. After prepositions, we use this version of Ireland. And for Éire, lastly, we have Éireann, Éireann, very similar to the pronunciation of the previous one, only slight difference. Éireann, Éireann. And this version of Ireland is used in the genitive case, Tishilgindach in Irish. And basically, this is usually used for possession. So if you're saying the people of Ireland, so it's the people of Ireland, so it's possession, it's muintir na héireann. Muintir na héireann, and we're using this spelling of Éireann. And again, same as previously, because na ends in a vowel and Éireann begins in a vowel, we have a H in here. So it's muintir na héireann, the people of Ireland. It's a genitive case, Tishilgindach. Or if you just want to think of it simply, it's belonging. And then the same, Bank of Ireland, because it's the Bank of Ireland, you've got your possession, your genitive case, your Tishilgindach. It's Bank na héireann. Bank na héireann, the Bank of Ireland. And again, the same as above, there's a H there just because na ends in a vowel and Éireann begins in a vowel. Bank na héireann, muintir na héireann. Let's look at that in a real life context. So we have Éire on its own. So this is a picture of a stamp, an Irish postage stamp, where it just has Ireland, Éire. So if you were watching the weather in Irish and it had all the countries listed on the weather map, it would just say Éire for Ireland. This t-shirt here, you see the popular t-shirt or this phrase on a lot of souvenirs or t-shirt type things. Déanta in Éireann means made in Ireland. Déanta in Éireann. Jainta in Éireann, because after our prepositions we use this version of Ireland. So Jainta in Éireann, made in Ireland, you'll see this spelling of Ireland. And then our Tuisigindaf, or our possession, we have Bus Éireann, which is one of our national bus services, and it means the bus of Ireland, Irish bus, bus of Ireland. So we have our possession, Tuisigindaf, genitive case, Bus Éireann, and you'll see this spelling of Ireland. So hopefully that makes the three different Irelands a little bit clearer. So when you see them in use, you might be able to identify why they are spelt that way. But if you're looking just to say Ireland on its own, it's Éire. Gura míle maith, thank you so much. Tasulam go on to Tanavas. I hope that you enjoyed it. Agus fecime and chapin shahuganhu. See you next week. Long the fold. Bye for now.